Hey everybody, I know what the current interest rates were wondering, should I rent or should I buy? So I put out two scenarios for here in the Victoria market and let's see how they play out. So for the buy side, we're looking at a home worth about $1 million. I have about $200,000 down payment and I'm looking at about 5.54% 5-year fixed interest rate. And let's assume my home appreciates 3% every year for the next 5 years. On the renter side, I still have the $200,000 down payment, but I decide to rent a 3-bedroom home instead. So that rent is about $3,500 a month with utilities, about $350. So let's say my monthly cost for rent is about $3,850. On the home ownership side, with utilities, taxes, and insurance, my all-in per month is $5,700 and change. So as a savvy investor renter, what I do is I take that $200,000, I give it to the bank, they give me 5% return year on year, and every month I take the difference that I would have spent on home ownership, which it works out to about $1,890, and invest that every month, again, at a 5% return every year. And so what at the end of the 5 years, what I walk away with is a cool $383,000. Now as a home buyer, I'm thinking, oh man, I spent all my money on my home, I have nothing in my savings, nothing going into the bank or anything like that. What do? Well, at the end of the 5 years, I'm walking away with $445,000. And if I was a home buyer that bought a basement suite in Victoria, a 1-bedroom runs for $17,000 and a 2-bedroom runs for about $2,400 a month, I'm walking away with between $560,000 and $600,000. So in this scenario, home buying still makes sense. But I'd love to hear your thoughts on it in the comments below.